Hi, my name is Janelle McClarty, and I'm the owner of EncoreWebsites.com. And today I'm going to be showing you how to add HTML to a WordPress page. So the first step is to log in to the dashboard of your website. Okay, and if you don't know how to do this, I have a video on how to do that. I'll just link it below. So once you enter your username and password, you're going to enter the dashboard or the back end of your website. Then we're going to go to the pages section. And once you click on that, we're going to see basically a list of pages that are currently on your website. So pages that you've created before, so your services page, home page, contact us page, all of that. So let's go to the About Us page. So when we go to the About Us page, we're going to click Edit, because we're going to edit this page to show different HTML codes that we can enter. So here's the page title, About Us, and this section is where the content of the page is going to be. It's going to load right now. I just want to show you that before I show you where we're going to go. Alright, so this is the content of the page right here. This is basically the visual side of how the page looks. So this is a visual tab. It just shows you different coding or languages of what's actually on the page in a visual sense, but then this is the text section. This is where we're going to be focusing on. So it's pretty much the same thing, but this is where you add specific HTML code. So I'm going to show you some basics. So let's say you want to add a subtitle. So under About Us, you want to add a subtitle that's bold. So you would write this code, which is B for bold, and you'll put whatever text you want bold. And then you would close that tag with a / and a B. So all this text in between is going to be bold. Let's say you want to underline this part, About Us. So you're going to use this HTML code, so which is a U. And then you're going to close that up, and this About Us section is going to be underlined. Let's say you want to make the word below italic. This is another code you can use to make that italic. So these are just style codes. I'm going to show you, let's say, something very useful if you want to add your email address, like a link to where the person can email you. So this is a code that you can use for that. And then you put your email address in between right there, close it off, and then you write whatever you want them to click after that. So email us. So if they click, it's going to be email us. The word email us is going to be clickable. It's going to be a clickable link, and it's going to give them an option to mail to whichever website you put here. Whichever email address you put here. Then another really useful code that I use a lot is a hyperlink HTML tag. So let's say you want to put like a click here tag. You know when you see a website that says click here, and then when you actually click here, like click this actual text, it will take you to the web page that you want to show. So I'm gonna show you an HTML tag for that. And all these tags that I'm typing out right now, I'm going to put it in the description box below so that you can use them or copy and paste them yourself. Alright, so basically this tag is going to say click, and then here is going to be the clickable link to this web page. So it's going to, when you click the button here, it's going to take the person to this web page, and the text is going to show around that. So I'm going to show you how this looks on the actual About Us page by clicking Preview Changes. So after typing all that, it's going to show you basically what we did. So here we are. So take a look at our About Us section below. So this whole text is bolded as we did. This section is underlined and this word is italic. This email us link is here. So you see at the bottom it says mail to info@encorewebsites.com, and then the click to visit us is going to go to encorewebsites.com homepage when you click that. So let's just click that to see what it does. Alright, so that's the home page. We're right back to square one. So yeah, so basically that's it. Those are just some HTML basics, and I'm sure I showed you which section to go to add it to your actual homepage. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or send me a quick email. I'll be linking a lot of things to the comment section below, the description box below. So I'm going to be linking all these tags that I use, plus a video on how to log into the dashboard. Feel free to give us a quick like, comment below any questions, and subscribe to this channel for any other tutorials that are WordPress related. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.